COVID cases at infirmaries are down, new measures to communicate with relatives implemented, and a no-nonsense approach by the police on protocol breaches. Those are some of the recent updates from Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie for the Christmas season.
Illegal holiday parties continue to be a concern for health officials amidst the COVID pandemic. But according to Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie, the authorities have been up to the challenge.
Well, quite a number of persons have been arrested and charged by the police. And the numbers are growing because I am sure that close to over 70 odd persons over the last weekend and a lot more were arrested and charged by the police.
Mr. McKenzie was speaking at a recent handing over ceremony for cell phones to infirmaries. Infirmaries are particularly vulnerable because of the age of the residents. The minister says testing and prevention protocols have been ramped up at all facilities across the island. With the recent spike in cases in Westmoreland, Mr. McKenzie says there is only one infirmary case in that parish.
But outside of that, all the persons who were affected by COVID have recovered fully, and the Vineyard town is COVID-free as we speak, and all our infirmaries, as it relates to the residents, only one active case in Westmoreland.
Changes have also been made to govern the celebrations for the season. While visits have been stopped since March, protocol restrictions have extended to the usual holiday interactions.
We are saying that for Christmas, you would normally get a flood of persons going to these facilities. While we appreciate the gesture, we are saying, provided we will pick it up, we will deal with it in the infirmary, but nobody outside of the staff will be allowed to access the infirmaries.
The new measure implemented will see cell phones at each facility to enable communication between persons at the infirmary and their loved ones at home.